Today's video is awesome. Today we are about to solve the greatest mystery of the universe. The question we have been asking for thousands of years has been answered. Today we will prove that there is no God in this universe, nor we can ever find him. This video will tell the truth of religion and science that no one has ever told. If you watch this video to the end, then you will understand whole reality of this world, and all the questions that we have been trying to know for centuries will be answered. It is mentioned in Hinduism that this world is matrix and not real. In the same way, many scientists of the world have also come to believe this. Bill Gates and Elon Musk also believe that this world is not real. We are living in simulated universe. But what is this simulated universe? Let's understand it. We all dream, and whatever we see in the dream seems real to us. Our dreams are not very long, and we soon realize that it was just a dream. But you think that you go to another world in a dream where you are born. You grow up there, you live your whole life. In that dream, you have your mother, father, friends, even the whole family. There are villages, cities, and complete world. Now think that if a person in your dream thinks about who he is actually, who created him and who is creator of his world, can he know all this? Can that person come out of your dream and know that he doesn't exist and whether he can meet you? The answer to all these questions will be no, because that person is not in reality, but the discovery of the dream of a human being in another world. Similarly, most scientists are beginning to believe that our world is not real. It may be simulated universe programmed with supercomputer of an alien present in another universe. Just as everything happens in a dream, same as a whole world can be created with simulation technology. And the people of that world will find all the things that exist in their world are real. Understand it a little better. The first computer game in the world had just one dot. Then came the 2D games like Super Mario. And then came the 3D games, in which everything seemed real to us. But today we have a VR games in which we feel everything as it is in the real world. If you're flying inside the VR game, you'll have a real feeling of flying. If you are standing on the high top of a hill inside the VR game, then looking down will make you feel really scared. Even within the VR games, we can have a real feeling of all things happening. With the help of the VR game, we can go into a world that is different from ours, and in that world we can also do a lot of things that are not possible in our own world. After 50 to 100 years, we will be able to create a world in which people will have their own brains. They will think, feel, and have dreams with the help of artificial intelligence and quantum computer. In that world, people will also be born, grow up, get married, have children, and they will die. There will be everything that happens in our real world. Although the people of this world will find their world to be absolutely real, they will not know that their world is not real but is programmed into a larger computer. This world is called a simulated world. Now you think, what is if someone created our world? So will the creator of this world also exists in this world? The answer is no, because the creator of this world will be not in this world but in another dimension, and he must have made our world by sitting somewhere else. In the same way, no person in a dream can know who he is and who created him. So we can say that we can neither see nor meet God, because God is not really in this world. Today, because of science, we have learned a lot about this world. Earlier we used to think that the Earth is the whole world and this moon star is nothing beyond it. And then we found out that the Earth is just one planet and there are so many planets like it. But when we found out that there are billions of stars and billions of galaxies in this world, our senses were blown away. Yet we have not been able to find out to this day how big this world is and where it has spread. Is there such an end? If so, what's next? Looking at it, it seems that such a big world cannot be created on its own. There must be some creators for that, but we can never know that creator. Is also true, as there are certain rules inside the game, such as whether or not one can fly in the air, walk on the water or not, cross the wall or not, etc. All these rules have been implemented in that game by the creator of the game. Similarly, there are some rules for our world. We call them the laws of nature. As we know, nothing can move faster than the speed of light. But who created these laws of the universe? We can know what exists in this universe and how big this universe is, but we can never know who created this world and where does he live? Because the one who creates our world is not really in this world. And none of the rules of this world apply to him. This proves that we will never know who created this world and where does he live? The question now is that we can never know who created us, but can God himself come and tell us this? Now I'll explain this to you very well. It is said in Hinduism that this world has been created by God and he keeps incarnating from time to time. But is it really possible? Let's assume I'm having a dream and there's a whole world in that dream. Can I go into this world with my real body and meet the people of that world? The answer would be no. Similarly, the one who creates a game cannot go inside a game with his real body. If he wants to go inside the game, he has to take an avatar like the character of the game. And every single rule of that game will apply to that avatar. And the same thing applies to God. God cannot come into this world with his real body, but if he wants to come into this world, he will also have to take birth here. Lord Krishna and Jesus have done that. Whether you believe in God or not, there are only two possibilities of existence of this universe. Either this universe was created by itself or someone created it. Science also believes that nothing can happen on its own. There must be a reason for everything to happen. Even though science has made so much progress, scientists can't single atom out of nothing yet. Elon Musk and many scientists believe that there would be some creator to this universe and we can be part of a programming, or maybe we're living in a simulated universe. This vast universe is full of Earth-like planets and life may be possible on many other planets as well. And it may also be possible that life on another planet began thousands or millions of years before Earth. If that happens, there could be thousands of times advanced civilizations in this universe. And it would be possible to do anything for such an advanced civilization. If they want, they will create a world like us. Therefore, there can be countless universes. Many scientists at this time are beginning to believe in theory of countless universes. But never will we be able to move from one universe to another, nor we will know the truth of another universe. Because the characters of one game can't go to another game because both the games are built on different platforms. That's why different universes will be in different dimensions. People who know well about science, they must be well aware that there was no time before the Big Bang. So we'll never know what was before the Big Bang, because we won't have time for it. In the future, if we create a world inside a computer, the time of that world will begin from where it will start the world. In the future, if a person in that world wants to know who created his world and what was there before his world was formed, he will never find the answer to that question. This also proved that we will never know who created this universe. Similarly, today we are also beginning to think that who created our world and where did all these things that exist in our world come from? There are thousands of religions in this world and all religions have different beliefs. There are different theories of the origin of this universe according to different religions. Similarly, scientists have also given different theories of the origin of this world. Thus, over thousands of years, millions of scholars have tried to find out the truth about how the world was created. But we are yet to get any satisfactory answer. How did this world come about and who created it? If we want to know this truth 100% accurately, there are only two possibilities. First, we have to see with our own eyes while creating this world. Second, if the maker of it will come and tell us. If both of these things are not possible, then we can only guess. And we've been doing this for thousands of years. Even if we don't know the truth about our world. But with the help of artificial intelligence and quantum computers, we will be able to make our universe. How we'll be able to do that, we'll learn in the next video. This video explains to us that if someone created this world, then the one who created it will not be in this world. So it is useless to try to find and know him. We will never know about the one who created this world with our minds. We can only feel it in our own imaginations. And we humans should never boast about ourselves, even if we achieve anything with the help of science. because the one who created this world will still have many times advance from us, and beyond that we will have no existence. Hopefully you've learned something new from this video. No one knows what the ultimate truth is, we can only imagine. What do you think about this? Please tell me in the comments, and don't forget to share this video. Thanks for watching.